Oh, good. So now they're just coming on a truck or something. Awesome. It's a big warehouse.
Oh, this is one of the smaller ones.
Really? Oh, there's a van over there.
So usually clearing takes about maybe even 4 hours after the pets arrive.
What? Oh, just because they sit
No, but we have a special arrangements with
to bring
the
it.
vet and
Because you have to wait for them, isn't it?
yeah, you have to wait for them first before you start. But we started.
I can see boxes over there. If I can see from this side. You see crates. Those are mine. Those are mine. Come home to me, Churchy. Come home to me. Can't they pick them up? Pick them up. Pick them up. Pick them up. Pick them up. They're walking by them. Oh my gosh, 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 oh my gosh. I could cry right now. Stop looking at them. They're picking them up. They're picking them up. They're picking them up. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my god, I'm so excited. There they are. That's my Churchy. And we don't know her name. Oh, God, I could cry. No, bring them this way. I can't go past the line.
Yeah, I say. You can just first.
Can I see them?
Please, please.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, yes, pull it. Thank you. Oh, oh, my little honey pot. Oh, my honey pot. Hi, Churchy. Hi, Churchy Wurchy. Hi, Churchy Wurchy. Oh, hi, Clemmy. Hi, Clemmy. Are you scared? Are you scared? Oh, Clemmy. Clemmy, I'm going to get you out of there. I'm going to get you out, Clemmy. Oh, you are so precious. You are so precious to me. Clemmy, dummy. Hi, honey. Oh, you're going to be so thirsty. I got water for you. I even brought you beef. Don't tell Dad. I brought you beef. Don't tell Dad. Don't tell Dad, honey. Oh, this is cute. That's a cutie. Hi. I'm sorry. I wish I washed my fingers. I wish I washed my fingers for you. Are you lonely? Are you lonely? You're coming home, honey. You are coming home, honey. You are coming home. You're coming home to me. Oh, you stink like a puppy. You stink like a puppy. You stink like a puppy. You're so cute. You're so cute. And there's Churchy. Are you going to be friendly now, Churchy? Are you going to be friendly now? That's my puppy. You're sad. Why are you sad? Why are you sad, Churchy? You're bummed out? Churchy, I watched you on the computer for so long. I did, Churchy. You're going to come home soon, okay? You're going to come home. Let's take a picture of it. There's Churchy. Hi, Churchy. Hi, Churchill. And who's this angel? She wants to come out so bad. She's lonely. She's lonely. Dad's going to take you to bed. Dad's taking you to bed. You're going to cuddle with Dad. You're going to cuddle with Dad. You're going to cuddle, you little sweetie. I know, they're going to bring you really soon. We're going to take you out of this place. We're going to take you out of this place. You're going to come home and have so much fun. So much fun. So much fun. Oh, she's cute. How are you? Can we go?
Yeah, you can go.
Oh.
Are they alright?
They're great.
Oh.
Okay, now. Oh, you're not bad. Okay, now I must lift.
You have to rub the eyes with warm water.
Yes.
Probably the vet will have a look at it for another pair of shots tomorrow.
pole.